Spending excessively on things we don't need is a habit that a lot, if not most of us have. So you are not alone. There are ways to help curb and control the habit that has been formed. It will take time, but is possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. So how do you stop spending? Well, make a budget and follow it. Make a plan of action, what and how much you're going to spend for the month. If you would like to know about budgets and savings, click the link provided right here. Your expenses should never be greater than your income. If this is the case, it's time to cut back. A budget is something you consistently modify to get to your end goal. You don't have to jump into the deep end from the start. Work your way to your goal as long as you get there. You can create an Excel sheet for this budget or use apps like EveryDollar. I personally am subscribed to Quicken, whatever works best for you. Know what you're spending money on. This is sort of an extension of number one, but knowing what you're spending money on is important. When you look over your budget, you might be spending on things that you didn't even know you were spending on or even need, for instance. There is a big difference between wants and needs, and your budget will let you know where each is, what they are, and how much they are costing you. A place to stay, food, utilities, and a way to and from your place of employment so that you can continue to have an income should be under your needs for obvious reasons. These aren't things you can completely do away with like a Netflix subscription. However, you can lower them if you live alone in a one-bedroom apartment, maybe get a one-bedroom. You have a Tesla, get a Honda Civic. You eat out every day, instead buy and cook your own food. Stop spending money at restaurants. Cooking your own food can save you a lot, not only for yourself if you're a single income, but for your entire family if there are more of you. 2 meals from a relatively low budget chain such as McDonald's averages around $20. With $20, you can buy and make enough food to last for 2 to 3 days. When I say this, I mean eating those leftovers for that meal up to 3 days. The way we spend money is an issue, so change that. The small things do add up. This doesn't mean you can't go out occasionally and enjoy a meal outside. However, place this into your budget and stick to it. Shop with a goal in mind. Don't get sidetracked. When you go to the store with the intention of purchasing food, don't come home with food, a new tie, shoes, pants, and essentially a whole new outfit. This doesn't just relate to clothes. If you leave your house because you are out of coffee and you allocated this as a needed item for the function of yourself daily, so be it. Go and make a purchase for the coffee. Let's say while browsing you notice that there is a sale on another item, for this instance, clothes. Just because it is on sale does not mean that it is a necessity to acquire. Yes, everyone loves a good deal, but that deal can severely impact your budget, especially when clothing is not a necessity, but a want if you already have. If you are still having trouble while actually in the store, make a list, be it physical or through a phone app such as AnyList. Being aware. This is one of, if not the most important part. Maintaining a budget, shopping for what's necessary, staying on budget, and keeping on track is not an easy task. Take it a day at a time and do what you can. But most importantly, start. That's all for this video. I'll be here and hope to see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.